What's up guys, it's Anthony, and it has been a severely long time since I posted a video. I haven't even really been able to work on my Jeep or do anything like that. We still have a bunch of parts to get installed, weld on, and make, and I got a lot of ideas that I want to do with the Jeep, but being wintertime and just a lot of other stuff going on in life has been kind of crazy. The last video you guys seen, I was working on a 2001 Grand Vitara for my wife's family, and so then I've just been kind of working on that and got all that done and taken care of. Now, you know, it's freed up. My wife's Liberty needs some new rock sliders because it's got the factory rock sliders, but they're all rusty and stuff like that. So I want to get some more too, just kind of remake the same thing that it's got. My Jeep's a little bit too tall, so my wife wants some sort of step, so I'll make some sliders that we can make like a little kick out on that can act as a step as well. Those are just kind of some hopefully future plans, hopefully future videos that are coming very soon. It is actually Christmas Eve. I'm gonna film and edit this video and probably upload it on Christmas or New Year's, not too sure yet. But I just kind of wanted to wrap up 2024 with a video, and hopefully starting 2025 we'll do even better. Last year, you know, for this last year of 2024, we've done amazing. The channel's gotten like 50,000 views. We've gotten like over 100 subscribers. We hit 1,000 subscribers this year. You know, that's just amazing, and I want to thank you guys all for that. Hopefully I can pump out even more videos for 2025. I believe I've got like 15 videos that I posted this year. That's really just filming during the summertime, because when winter hit, it gets a little bit difficult working outside and stuff like that, and just wanting to film, and having light and stuff like that to film is also very difficult. Hopefully this coming year we'll get out on the trail and use some of these upgrades that we've put into my Cherokee right here at the start of the year. I do have New Year's Day off, so maybe I can get up to the mountains, see if we can enjoy a little bit of our upgrades that we did this summer. Like I said, hopefully we can enjoy a little bit of those. We'll kind of see what happens next. I want to start buying a little bit of stuff to help with filming, like maybe a microphone for my phone, since that's just what I use to film, is my iPhone 14, 15 Pro Max. I think it's a 14. But I just want to put a little bit back into the channel. Hopefully we can do even better next year. We'll just kind of go from there. Hopefully we can do better than we did this year. Keep growing. For all you guys that are new to the channel though, I greatly appreciate you guys subscribing, liking all the videos, and commenting on them. It's greatly appreciated. If you're new and you're finding this video for the first time, maybe stick around, check out some other videos. Maybe leave a comment or subscribe if you enjoyed what you've seen. But this will just be my goodbye 2024, and hopefully I'll see you guys very soon in 2025 with a new video. But it has been Anthony, and I'll talk to you guys later.